Houthi assault on international vessels. The Houthi faction in Yemen, supported by Iran, has initiated new offensives against maritime vessels in the Red Sea, including an attack on a vessel from Greece, as reported by American military and maritime authorities, signaling a revival of hostilities in this critical maritime corridor. Escalation of maritime incidents. A series of at least 7 maritime confrontations have been documented in the lower Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, starting from April 24, marking an end to a period of relative calm, as per records from the Washington Institute. Houthi claims and maritime dominance, controlling significant regions of Yemen, including the capital, Sana'a, and a substantial portion of the nation's coastline. Along the Red Sea, the Houthis have executed numerous maritime attacks since November, citing a shared cause with Palestinians. Amidst the conflict with Israel, recent strike on MV Cyclades. This past Monday, the Houthi insurgents targeted the MV Cyclades, a commercial ship registered under Greece and bearing the Maltese flag, deploying a trio of anti-ship ballistic missiles complemented by 3 drone assaults, as confirmed by the U.S. Central Command. The Red Sea holds immense significance as a crucial sea route for commercial traffic between Europe and Asia, as well as for transporting oil from the Persian Gulf to the Mediterranean. This sea has historically served as a vital link in a global network of waterways stretching from the Mediterranean to the Indian Ocean and the Pacific. The Suez Canal, which connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, handles approximately 12% of global trade. Vessels traveling from Asia to Europe access the Suez Canal via the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, a narrow channel that splits northeast Africa from Yemen. On the Arabian Peninsula, the Red Sea serves as a central artery for global trade, allowing efficient movement of goods between these major continents.